Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I'm part of a collaboration called the Kitchen Challenge, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place. Now, the co-hostesses of this collab is Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, Melissa, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-hostesses channels down below in the description box, along with the playlist. So I hope you come on over, you stay, subscribe to our channels, full watch the videos, click like, and don't forget to comment because I love to hear from you. So in the last video, we got done doing the cabinets up on top. So now we're going to start with the drawers. So yeah, we got a lot of work. So come on with me. So the solution that I'm using, if you didn't watch my last video, I would love for you to go over there and watch it. I use some warm water, a couple of drops of the Dawn, and a couple of capfuls of distilled vinegar. So I am so happy. We're almost done with drawer number 1, and I do have a lot of utensils. So I will be getting rid of some of these things and donating them to the Goodwill. Okay, doesn't that look beautiful? Drawer number 1 is done. I'm moving on to the next one. Now in this drawer, it's a very deep drawer. These cabinets are very old, so they do carry a lot of stuff. So I do store a lot of things in here. So again, we're going to be sorting these things out. Whatever I don't need, we'll be donating to the Goodwill, and then putting back the items that I use on a regular basis. So let's get busy. As I'm looking at all this stuff, I'm like, where does all this stuff come from? Isn't it amazing how things just keep growing and growing if you don't stay on top of it? We're getting rid of some of this. Okay, now drawer number 2 is done. We're moving on to the bottom one. Now this drawer here is the drawer where I put my oven mitts and all of the towels from the Dollar Tree. You will not believe the collection of towels I have from the Dollar Tree. Some of these may have to go. So let's see. So we are done with drawer number 3. That was a process. So what you see me doing here is sorting the items that I'm either going to keep or go ahead and put in the pile that I'm giving to the Goodwill. Okay, now time to place all these items inside the bag and get rid of them. So a couple of things I couldn't part with. And this is the reason why we get in so much trouble. But I get it the next time. Okay, so we are done for today. We're heading over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed organizing my home and cleaning. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.